Haka arpo tele ujeliu arja arpo ar umentri rangba kejelau kondet ki sangma ulalet chadagar bat kinmin saw kibaha bhamau sanram block ha East Khasil district balejmo ekilonging jongkituk bladono ela kajing im hakin ki khindiat sngi nakadaw Jingtwa Khyndew Hagani kasngi umentri rangba ula IT ru e Jingtwa shigini ki longing nakabenta ka jingpalaj e kapisa kabanlong ka jera bi ki bahayeng asam jongkituk ki blaklat no Laban penkenmau hangni bahag Jingtwa Khyndew handangar sangut ki breu ki ladu e la ka Mynsiem kinthop ye sangut ki khna hakin men saupat arngut chikurim ki ladu e la ka jingim da ka bai no shadien ye laingut ki khon umentri rangba ula pentikanaru basyan kini ki jaka ki blasha khata ken sayo biaing ka boarding bade ka jingtre kam ka mobile
I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward.